Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually wanted to do an unboxing video just because I did order some stuff, well, like 2 things from Morphe. And yes, you guys, every time I do a video, my setting or whatever changes. I know. But right now, like I said before, I'm trying to get everything situated in my office and my room just doesn't even work out either because there's not enough light. And then I can't put my ring light or my umbrella lights there. So I'm just like, okay, whatever. Like, I can't. So I'm just like, you know what? I'm gonna film here because I do have 2 small windows and then a huge window behind you guys. So yeah, that's why I wanted to do it here because there's a lot of light here. So, but let's get to what I wanted to show you. So the first thing that I ordered, well, I mean, both, but the first thing that I opened in all that, and I already had washed these brushes, you guys, because I got a brush set. I got the set 702 12-piece. Now the brush set that I got is, it is I have my iPad here, I had to like pull it up, but it's a set 702 12-piece eye credible set, a Morphe set. And it has like this little, it comes in this little bag and it was all like, you know, all like wrapped in all that in the packaging. But and it has this little thing here, Morphe, and it has something, a plastic thing, which right now I'm having issues because of my nails. They're in the way. But anyway, so I took it off. So neat, but just wait, you know, like there's prints everywhere. The first thing that I noticed that as soon as I opened it was it had a really weird smell, like a chemically smell, and I really didn't like that. But hey, what brush set or brushes that you buy does not have a scent like that? So, but these are, oh my gosh, excuse me. I'm losing my voice. But so I already washed these for you guys just so that I always wash my brushes before I use them. And that it like tests, beside of washing them, like I don't want to use them just like that, I wash them first. I also look for and check for if after washing them stuff comes off or something. But they didn't. I mean, 1 or 2 that, you know, the bristles comes off, but I mean, every brush has that, I guess. So, but yeah, I got these, you guys. These are amazing. They're basically, it focuses on your eye. That's all it does. It doesn't have like the big brushes like the Morphe Jaclyn Hill set that I bought. Like for example, this humongous thing, like, yeah, I didn't know, like it doesn't have that. So this brush set that I bought is because I focuses more on your eyes. So as if I already didn't have enough eyes brush, you guys, like, well, I usually keep them here, but look at that, like I have a lot. But the more the merrier, to be honest with you. So they do come in this. The smell is just, I don't like the smell. The make of this, you guys, it's not very, I don't know, it feels flimsy. It feels like of course it's not gonna be real leather, because if it was, it would have been more expensive. I know. But I know there's other baggies out there that are sturdier than this, I guess you would say, and this is not as sturdy. But anyways, I like it. But I bought these, you guys. So they don't have a number. They don't have, you know what, but I think I probably read it off of here, but they don't have like a number like this one has, you know, it's an E41 by Morphe. I love that brush, you guys. Like when I set my foundation with like powder, I like pack it up and then like I just take it away with that one. But anyways, I was looking for the name or the number or whatnot, and none of them have them. None of them have them. So, but they're really neat though. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use these. I have not used them at all, and I actually was on Snapchat. No, I was on Instagram, and I did a live tutorial or what have you, and it was kind of fun actually. Like it was neat. So I'll be doing that more often. For those of you, I will link down below the I will put my name for Instagram. It's Jenny_Lynn with I know that in my social medias like Twitter and all that, I have a #1 just because I can't put Lynn, L-I-N. So for my YouTube channel, it does say Jenny_JENNI_LIN. But I will link that down below. Well, not the YouTube part, but the Twitter and the Instagram and Snapchat. I'm not ready. I don't know if I'm ready to do Snapchat yet. And I really want to change my name to that, but that would mean I would have to make a new Snapchat. So I don't wanna. But anyways, so this one, I'm gonna just go through them and just kind of tell you what I think they are, honestly, because I mean, it's self-explanatory on which each and every one of them are. This one would definitely use for like my underline or just really small in this really small areas of your eye. So, you know, I would use that one for that. And then this one, to be honest with you, I don't know. I honestly would use this one to put some highlighter on, but I would have to like see what I would use this one for. This can't be a dome brush because it's too big for that. But I think I would use it for a little bit of highlight. This one, of course, is an eyeliner brush, you guys, and I love eyeliner brushes. They're amazing. They really are. And then this one is to more of like pack on some product and also blend it a bit. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it would work out for me as well. And then this one is a bigger, it's like, you know, mother and daughter type of deal. And this one's more of a larger brush instead of it being like more putting under the eye. I could also pack some product with this one just because it looks kind of like a dome brush, but it kind of really helps if I knew what they were. Yeah. And then this one, I love these, you guys, because this one, when I try to do a cut crease, which I honestly have been trying, but I don't fail, but it's kind of hard. I use one of these and it's so round and so like precise to where like I can literally just like go, you know, put that product on and then I can go in with another flat brush, and start creating. Yes, start creating trying to do the look of a cut crease. This one's my favorite, you guys, because it's a humongous like blending brush. Look at that. Like, I absolutely love it. And like I said, it doesn't even have a name, you guys. Nomás dice Morphe. Es todo lo que dice, no tiene ningún número. But, which means it's all it says that doesn't have a number. Yes. And this is more of like a narrow, see that little hair? That's bugging me. But anyways, a blending brush as well. These are my favorite, you guys. I have so many blending brushes. It's not even funny, like a lot. Then this one's more of like a dome. This one for real. Like this one's actually kind of like a dome looking brush. And I actually like it because this is another one where I can pack or just even like go under my lash line or even on my brow bone, which I'm noticing, you guys, I did not put any product on my brow bone or in my inner corner. I'll be back. There you go. I don't know if you can tell a difference, but I went ahead and just put a little bit on because I don't know why, I forget. I don't know. But anyways, this was, oh, well, this one I already showed you. And then this one right here, it's like a spoolie slash, like you could do this one with your, do your eyebrows with this one just because it has this brush on the side and then it has a spoolie on the other, which is actually really neat because I have two separate ones that I use, which is one is from Sonia Kashuk and the other one's a Mato, like a brush that I use that I bought off of Amazon. But that's really neat to have whenever I'm traveling. This one's just a smaller of this one right here. This one's, I love these tiny ones because you can get really, really like detail your look of whatever you do on your eyes for eyeshadow. Can't talk, guys. And this one I would definitely use to clean up my eyebrows because I do use, I have one that I bought at, I think it was a Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I know it's a paintbrush, you guys. The one that I use is a paintbrush, so it's kind of similar to this, but I just gave it a go just to see how it looks. But yeah, that's it for the brushes, you guys, and I'm excited to use them more often and add to my collection of brushes. But yes, I'm really, really excited to use these. So the next thing that I bought, you guys, is a 35B Color Burst by Morphe as well. I had seen, I think his name is James Charles. I think so. And I had seen he did like this really, really, really colorful eyeshadow on him. And when I saw it, I honestly thought he used the Morphe palette, but it turned out he didn't. He didn't use it. And of course it comes in this beautiful thing. I like how it says blend the rules instead of bend the rules here. It's cool. But I thought he used it, so I had that idea the whole time. I'm like, I'm gonna get that palette, I'm gonna get that palette. And then I saw that he didn't. He used something else. I was like, I don't care. I'm still getting this palette. So I have three palettes by Morphe. No, three palettes by Morphe. One is a eyeshadow. Two of them are eyeshadows, and then another one is like an eyebrow palette. But look at this, you guys. Like, oh, if I drop this, somebody shoot me. Look at the colors. Like, look at that. Like, when I first started doing makeup, oh my gosh, like I would go crazy with color. Like my eyes look like peacocks and rainbows and all that good stuff. So that's why I wanted to buy it, because I thought, like I said, I thought James Charles, I think that's his name, I think so, used color. Like one side was all, they were both rainbowy, but one side was like green, yellow, and pink, and the other one's blue, purple, and red, and yellow, and something. So I think I'm gonna do a tutorial on that, and look at the color. Like I am, oh, let me take this off. But I am absolutely in love. Oh my God. Like you guys have no idea. Like my goodness, my goodness. I'm excited to use that yellow. but I am gonna bust out with something crazy next time and probably post some pictures on Instagram. But yeah, you guys, this is amazing. I'm so excited. You have you guys no idea how excited I am. I love color. I actually have another palette by MAC, and I bought a bunch of colors from them too, and they're amazing as well. But I'm excited to use this, guys. OMG eyeshadow palette. Duh, that's all it says. I thought I was gonna read something else, so that's why I said that. But yes, you guys, I am excited to use that. But so that is it, you guys. That's all I wanted to show you. I did order more stuff from Elf Cosmetics, which I'm really excited to show you guys, and also by Amazon. So I think I'm gonna wait till I get my Amazon. I'm supposed to get it, I think tomorrow, the next day. Tomorrow, Elf, the day before that. After that is Amazon products that I bought. I bought some products to go to use for my kit as well. So I think I'm gonna wait until I get those two together so I can actually unbox them. Like, I'm not gonna open them until I will open it with you guys. So thank you for watching, you guys. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. Hit that subscribe button, you guys. Comment, like, whatever you want to do. Let me know what other videos you want to see. I greatly appreciate you guys. I really do. It's so much fun. Like, I have so much fun doing these. Dude, my hair is like a mess. If y'all think this isn't a mess, to me it is. I curl it and then I pick it up like this. But yes, you guys, let me know what you guys want to see and I will make another one. Yeah. So I hope you guys have it's so cloudy here. That's why it's not as bright, but it's not that bad because I'm here. But yeah. So I hope you guys have a good one and we'll see you soon. Bye.